Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another trading video here on this channel where we talk about futures day trading. Today's video is going to be a trade recap, going over the trades that we took this morning on the live stream. If you don't know, we stream live every morning, Monday through Friday at 8:30, which is the market open, 8:30 Central. So let's go ahead and get into the trades of today. It was quite a bit of a struggle, let me go ahead and tell you. So if we go ahead and take a quick look at the stats here, you can see I ended the day up $679.70. However, this looks decent. However, everything else is kind of bad, right? So we had $3,150 of profitable trades, $2,400 of losing trades, 72% win rate. What I hate to see here, just from a vulnerability standpoint, is this average losing trade size was way too big. Double the size of our average winning trade, so not ideal. We were in one trade for almost 30 minutes. Again, not ideal. As y'all know, I like to scalp. I like to be in and out of the markets. My average trade time was almost 8 minutes. So just not great. So let's go ahead and get into what happened and how we pulled it out on top. So we had one trade on the ES. Was trying to go short, and we had a point of control flip around the top. It looked like it might be ready to make a little plunge. And it just never happened. So we cut that trade for a loser of, there it was, $75. On the NASDAQ, we did a couple good trades right off the bat. So we had a nice little 5-pointer, a nice 15-pointer. We lost 15 points here. Another nice little 5-pointer, 5-pointer. So these were 4 wins, 1 loser. And then we had the big loser here. Was looking for a rounded top off of volume. We had a lot of selling action and got to break even. Basically got like 7 points in profit here off of this wick, off of my average. Didn't end up pulling the trigger, and it just absolutely ripped up past that. So we ended up closing out the trade, getting long, and exited at VWAP. And so this took us from minus 1,400 to minus only 200 after this winner. So this was a nice reverse. Obviously, it could have probably killed it a lot sooner. That's hindsight at its finest, right? So is what it is. From there, we took a couple little scalps, 1 loser, and then winners the rest of the way. The last trade of the day, so this left us at like plus $100 maybe. So we got back from that $200 loss to get up to about $100 of profit. And then the last trade of the day, which I never do on this channel really, we're pretty much always trading the NASDAQ and the ES. We actually traded gold. And so someone had called out, hey, gold looks pretty decent. And so I looked at it and I saw the point of control was real pinned down. So there was a ton of volume being conducted. We were at the bottom of this range, huge sell off prior, right? And so I went for the wick test long. So waited for a pullback, got long here at 50. And then went for the volume fill right past the Kaufman Adaptive Moving Average is this purple line, and just went for a volume fill straight up to here. And you can watch that one take place on stream. This was like a $600 trade or something, and it was the easiest trade all day, honestly. So very happy we ended up taking that gold trade. That's the quick recap of the day. The other thing I want to cover in this video is the new bracket orders that we're doing. Someone gave me an idea on stream to basically have my normal stop and then increase my take profit and then add in an auto break even up to 5 points. So if you've been around the stream for a while, you know that I like those 5-point targets on the NASDAQ. However, a lot of times it will continue to run pretty quickly. So it'll hit my fill and it'll immediately keep running. One way that we're trying to combat this is actually by this new system here. So we're actually going to, instead of have a 5-point take profit, we're changing it to 15. So the exact same as our stop loss. And what we're adding in is an auto break-even stop at 5. So what this means is as price bounces around, once that 5 points and a quarter hits, it moves my stop loss up to 5. If there's no quick, like immediate follow through, basically, I will get stopped out from my 5 points. But if we're on a nice, like really aggressive selling, and it's just like it's constant movement, then or constant upward movement, whatever it is, but it just like flies through that 5 points, I can actually milk more money out of it, which is what happened earlier today. So instead of getting stopped out or immediately hitting my take profit at 5 points, I actually got 15 out of it, but I'm still kind of guaranteeing myself that 5 if we do get up there. So I really like this idea. We're going to be playing around with it a lot more on stream. We'll see if it continues to work like it did today. Hopefully it does. And we'll be seeing how it goes. But this is just a quick update of what we're doing if you were not able to catch the stream. So I hope these recaps are helpful for you. If they are, make sure you press the thumbs up button down below, subscribe. Come hang out on the live streams, which is why we're doing this. We're doing these recaps based on the live streams, but you get a lot more commentary, a lot more of my mind into why I'm doing the trades and what we're doing, what setups we're actually seeing real time, which I think is very valuable. So definitely come hang out on the stream. But I will see you next time. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.